Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And today in this video here I am going to showing that how to create double WhatsApp or a dual applications in your device. And now you think that what is double or dual applications? It is the application which is converting a single application into two. Example, WhatsApp is already installed in your device, and after doing this method you can create this WhatsApp into a duplicate mode or a extra WhatsApp in your device. And in our Play Store we can download a dual WhatsApps like WhatsApp and WhatsApp because we want to download a WhatsApp business or any other WhatsApp. So in this video here I am going to showing that how to create dual apps or double applications like a WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook or any other applications. And without wasting our time, now let's move to the video. And at first you want to open your settings in your device. And after in the settings we need to just scroll down, and after that scrolling down you can see an option apps or app manager in your device. And after that just select this apps or app manager. And after that you can see more of the settings like this: system app settings, manage apps and etc. And in the below of this you can see an option dual apps, and you want to just tap this dual apps from here. And after that you can see two of the sections like this: recommended and dual app support. And in the recommended section you can see this is the main or highly recommended applications like WhatsApp, Instagram and etc. And if you want to create any dual apps for any third party application, you want to just scroll this red dual app support option from here, and after that just turn on this toggle bar from here. And here I am selecting this WhatsApp from here. And after in this you can see an option dual apps, and in near to this dual apps you can see a toggle bar, and you want to just tap this toggle bar from here. And after that you can see created dual app successfully. And now let's go back to the home screen. And after that you can see a new app has been created in your device. You can see WhatsApp dual has been created in my device. And by using this method you can create any dual apps or any applications to any dual apps within few clicks. And without wasting our time, thanks for watching our video.